Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be introducing you to top 5 selling portable air conditioning of all time. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your opinions are highly valued. Presenting the award-winning Whynter ARC12230WN portable air conditioner. With an impressive 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, this powerful device quickly cools spaces up to 600 square feet. Its advanced inverter technology delivers 20% more cooling while saving 40% on energy consumption. Control your AC remotely through Wi-Fi using the Nethome Plus app or voice assistants like Amazon Alexa and Google Home. Its innovative hose and hose setup ensures optimal cooling performance, featuring a patented auto-drain function and dehumidifying capacity of 87 pints per day. This unit keeps your space cool and dry. Its convenient dual exhaust design prevents heat leakage. Stay comfortable with its full thermostatic control, multiple modes, and whisper-quiet operation. The easy-to-install window kit and portable design make it the perfect cooling solution for any room.
Beat the heat with the Dreo Evaporative Air Cooler. This 40 powerhouse features 80 oscillation, spreading cool air up to 22 feet. Sec. Its powerful 60 HC motor circulates up to 13,000 cubic feet of air per hour, providing instant cooling. The cooling pad humidifies air, creating a comfortable environment. Control it with the remote or timer for up to 7 hours of cooling bliss. With its quiet operation, you can sleep or work undisturbed. Easy maintenance includes removable parts for cleaning. Stay cool and hydrated with the Dreo Evaporative Air Cooler. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner, the ultimate cooling solution for your home or office. Combining an air conditioner, dehumidifier, and fan, this 3-in-1 unit provides superior cooling for rooms up to 450 SQ. For it with a powerful 6,000 BTU as ACC-CEC or 10,000 BTU ASHRAE 128 cooling capacity, it effectively chills your space in minutes. Enjoy a hassle-free experience with auto water evaporation, eliminating the need for frequent draining. The convenient remote control allows you to adjust settings from anywhere in the room, while the easy window installation makes setup a breeze. Whether you need respite from the summer heat or want to create a comfortable working environment, the BLACK+DECKER portable air conditioner is the perfect solution. Technical specifications: cooling capacity, 6,000 BTU is ACC-CEC, 10,000 BTU ASHRAE 128. Room size, up to 450 SQ. Fort, dehumidifier capacity, 65 pints per day. Refrigerant R32, power 1,400 watts. Dimensions, 14x 12.3x 17.5 inches. Weight, 65 pounds.
Introducing the Midea 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner, the ultimate solution for a comfortable and refreshing home environment. With a powerful 14,000 BTU cooling capacity, ASHRAE, and a smart control system, this portable AC effortlessly cools spaces up to 375 SQ. Fort enjoy an LED display and remote control for easy operation, and connect to your smartphone via the Smart Home app for control on the go. Switch between cooling, dehumidification, and heating modes. Heat mode efficient for up to 325 SQ. Fort to maintain optimal comfort all year round. Installation is a breeze with the included exhaust hose and window kit, and multi-season functionality ensures year-round comfort. Experience clean and fresh air with the washable air filter and filter cleaning indicator. Adjust cooling based on your distance from the unit with the proximity sensing feature, and enjoy quiet operation that won't disturb your peace. Get the Midea 14,000 BTU portable air conditioner today and revolutionize your indoor comfort. Introducing the Frigidaire 5,000 BTU window-mounted room air conditioner for ultimate comfort. Maintain your desired room temperature effortlessly with precise temperature control. Capture dust without hassle with the washable filter, ensuring optimal performance. Space-wise adjustable side panels provide a perfect fit in windows. Power cord length, extra long for convenience. Effortless restart. Resumes previous settings upon power restoration. Stay cool and relaxed with a Frigidaire window-mounted room air conditioner. Featuring controller type, button control, airflow efficiency, 136 CFM core material, aluminum alloy. Plug type, LCDI 515 power refrigerant type, R32 note. Products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. International compatibility requires an adapter or converter.